The subject of today's video is how to make money with your affiliate marketing programs on YouTube. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. Thank you. Now, I'm a student of John Crestani and Devin Brown and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. Now, quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission for 5 to 50% of the sale price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer or advertiser. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. These programs will ask you for a credit card. Don't give it to them. Do your research on that company first. Now, YouTube is one of the most visited sites on the internet. In fact, it's second only to Google. It is a perfect place to showcase your creativity. What you might not know is that it's also a valuable platform for increasing your affiliate profits. Affiliate marketing on YouTube is a smart way to provide extra value to your audience while earning revenue at the same time. While YouTube offers various built-in ways of monetizing your content, affiliate marketing gives you direct control over what products you promote and enables you to see more of the resulting profits. This video will discuss how affiliate marketing works on YouTube and why you might want to start to get involved. We'll also show you how to get started. So let's jump right in. The benefits of using YouTube for affiliate marketing. If you haven't already, the first thing you'll need to do is create a free YouTube channel. It's quick and easy, so get that done first. Then once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing over a period of 1 year, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. That is going to take some time, so be patient. YouTube will send you an email to join the partner program when you qualify. So for now, concentrate on making at least 1 video a week. 3 videos a week would be ideal. In fact, you can use one script and do 3 separate videos from that one script, and then use Canva to create your beginning thumbnails for each video. Make sure the thumbnail is relevant to the topic of your video, and name each video file with different keyword headlines of the video content before downloading it to YouTube. In other words, rename your video and tag it with keywords in the headlines that are appropriate to the content of the video. Now, if you don't like being on camera, there are services you can pay to do the video for you. Do a Google search for these services. Fiverr, that's Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com has video freelancers who can do all the work for you on and off camera. Now, the first thing you need to do is create relevant and engaging content. The first step is to make sure that you're able to attract an audience. After all, there's not much point in promoting your affiliate links to non-existent viewers. Obviously, if your niche is weight loss, then getting an audience will not be a problem. However, a vital factor in any affiliate marketing campaign is making sure you can provide top-notch content. The quality of your videos will encourage viewers to visit your channel and trust your advice, as is the case with your blog posts. And creating a blog is also very important. Therefore, you must find the right niche and produce videos relevant to the products or services you want to promote. As one example, you could devote your channel largely to review videos where you discuss and rate affiliate products from other YouTubers. This will provide actual value to your viewers and help you grow your audience. Just make sure you give an honest assessment of each item and be engaging. This will help ensure viewers trust your judgment when you present them with affiliate links. 2. Add affiliate links to descriptions of the videos themselves. The easiest way to include affiliate links alongside your videos is to add them in your video descriptions. You'll see below the video is two affiliate links, and below that is show more. That's all my affiliate links. These appear underneath each video, and there is no limit to the number of links you can post within your description. However, there is a 5,000 character limit in the description. Using YouTube to get affiliate sales. With more than 1.8 billion, that's billion with a B, people using YouTube, do you think you can get a few people to visit your YouTube channel, watch a YouTube video, click on your affiliate link, and make a purchase? By simply getting a few people to watch a YouTube video and then reminding them to buy things they want, you can have the lifestyle you've been dreaming about. YouTube is a powerful promotional tool because it gives you an easy way to connect with the audience and talk to them about the products and services you love. There are different types of videos you can post on your YouTube channel to make sales. Let's go over a few of these here. Bonus reading, affiliate marketing without a website. Number 1 is product or service reviews. If you purchase a product that you love or find a service that is helpful to you, you're likely to tell a few people. A normal person will say to a friend or family member, but you're not normal anymore. You're a YouTuber now. You're going to tell everyone who will listen about your experience with a particular product or service that appeals to your target audience on YouTube. Then you're going to get paid a commission when they decide they want to get the same results or experiences that you got. There are a couple of ways that you can do reviews. First, you might decide to review a product you've chosen to use and tell people about the features and why you like it and why you don't like it. You might, include things that you don't like about that product because you want to be honest about it. Or you might do a review comparing different products that could be a solution and then showcase why you chose that one product over several products you selected. These types of videos can be very effective and they are not difficult to make. Share what you love about the products and any drawbacks you experienced. Providing an honest and thorough review helps people go through the decision-making process. The goal is to answer all of their questions in a YouTube affiliate video, so they are ready to purchase with your affiliate links before they leave the video. The next type of video that you can do is a tutorial video, also known as a how-to video for a YouTube video channel. It's another way to effectively get in front of an audience of people to make affiliate sales. Tutorial videos can be long or short, but they should give all the necessary information for the project that you're teaching them about. If you give people partial information, they will click away to another more in-depth tutorial for help. Typically, a YouTube video about affiliate marketing is about 10 minutes long. When you're creating tutorial videos, you want to show people step by step how you do things and what you use. In addition, since people see you using various products or services in the video, you can easily work in affiliate sales by linking the video description to the things you used in the video. Next is a best of videos. The best of videos are easy to do. All you have to do is make a list of the best of whatever it is you are promoting. Then in the video, you should talk about the pros and cons of each of the videos that you watch, each of the products in the videos. Go from the least good to the best of the best to make sure you keep people watching through the entire video. You can link to all of the products or services you mentioned in the video. Now, getting traffic to your videos. Even if you have the most amazing videos on the internet, you're not going to get any results if no one sees them. Getting traffic is one of the biggest challenges people kind of come across when they are trying to make enough money through affiliate marketing. The good news is that many people already use YouTube, so you can get some traffic just from being on the site with well-optimized videos. These are called related videos, and we'll go over them below. YouTube related videos. You've likely watched more than one video on a given topic that you search for. For example, you view one video on YouTube and then you see another similar video that looks like it might be more interesting and more in depth. So you click away to that more interesting looking video. People do this all the time, and that is why you want to show up in YouTube related videos. But first, optimize your content by adding relevant keywords in the title, description, and tag section. Tip: YouTube currently allows you to use, like I said before, 5,000 characters in your video description. My video description is just below the video here, and it'll say show more. So be sure to pack as much audience and SEO friendly content in there as possible. And don't forget to include your video link in the description. To get more traffic from YouTube related videos, make sure you have interesting thumbnails that attract viewers and entice them to click once they see the thumbnail. Obviously, this video has a thumbnail right at the beginning. That's what we're talking about, that little poster thing presenting the video. Again, I use Canva for my thumbnails, and Canva also has a YouTube video thumbnail template. That's Canva, canva.com. Google search results. Google search results can be a powerful source of traffic and viewers for your videos, depending on the keyword term. YouTube videos are more or less likely to show up on the first page of Google. Tip: posting your video content on your blog is a great way to get started with video SEO and to drive targeted traffic to both your blog and your videos. So having a blog is very crucial to your affiliate marketing success. Well, for a blog, I use Bluehost and WordPress, and I'm just in the process of creating my blog now, and it should be ready in the next couple of weeks. Before you start ranking videos or any other type of content in Google search for the keyword term to see if any videos are currently showing up. If there aren't any videos showing up, and this would be on the first page of Google search, that you're doing, the best way to set up a Google ad or something like that. Google ad content and so forth. This might not be, if there aren't any videos on showing up on the first page, this might not be the best keyword to target with your video SEO when it comes to Google's organic search. So keep doing keyword searches till you see some YouTube videos that are similar to the video that you want to shoot showing up on page 1, and then use those keywords. Now, I'm enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, what is the benefit of getting some coaching? One, affiliate marketing is not difficult, but there's a lot of twists and turns, and there's a lot of things you might do by mistake that is going to cost you money, and you'll do things that'll slow down your progress. So getting a good coach is going to save you money, and it's going to get you started on the road to making money a lot faster, because these guys like Anthony Morrison have been around the block. This isn't their first rodeo, and they are good at what they do, and their advice is excellent. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, click on the link below. It would show up in the show more in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. There is a link just below the video. If you click on it, you'll get 2 really great ebooks in the world of affiliate marketing and what to do and what not to do. This is two great ebooks for beginners. I highly recommend them. Just click on the first link below. Now, give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.